Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another fantastic day on planet Earth. We're going to see a temple today. Very old, sort of ancient, ruined sort of a temple. I think it was built around about 700 or 800 years ago. And it's in Buriram. It's an hour and 10 minutes away. If you can see the clouds, but I've just said to her it's going to rain. No, that's not rain. That's rain. Shelter. Stop. It's not going to rain. I said it. Look at it there.
I thought Thai people know how to tell the weather. Oh my God, this is getting bad. I know rain clouds when I see them, and I know the signs. And the sign is I could see it touching ground. No rain. You 20, me 120.
Yeah.
Good. Excellent. You pay 30, I pay 250.
Yes.
So you got 20, 120, 30, 250. It says dress politely. Please keep clean. I've washed my knees, I'm fine. Do not take photos in inappropriate gestures like that. And then here, do not inappropriate behaviours. No smooching. Which means the lower city is not the original name. Constructed 11th century. They're all around the 11th century. I've got to pay money now. Flower. Jasmine.
No, not jasmine. Speak Thai.
What are those?
Shaba. อันนี้นกยุง Speak Thai นกยุง Yes. Palm sugar.
Palm sugar? Where's that come from? There's no palm sugar.
No, palm sugar.
Palm sugar.
I'll buy that, man.
A bit small.
Yeah, palm sugar.
They're small.
สุกแล้วด้วย
Oh, cool. They smell.
Palm sugar.
Palm sugar, look.
Yes. ลูกตาล Speak Thai ลูกตาล
Look down.
Yes.
I know you told me 2 years ago.
อันนี้ต้นสัก
A dead tree. Oh, it's not dead.
สัก
It just hasn't got a middle.
อยู่ถ่ายไป โอเค
Wow.
เขาให้ไปตรงนั้นโทนี่
What?
เขาพูดว่าอะไร
No stepping on surface. What
นี่นะ
surface?
ตัวนี้หรือเปล่า
How are you not supposed to step on that? It's just like a metre wide.
ห้ามเหยียบก็ไม่รู้เขาพูดอย่างเงี้ย
No, it means here. It means here.
อ๋อโอเค
It's not there.
ห้ามนั่ง อันนี้สระน้ำนี่
Ponds. 4 L-shaped ponds that surround the gallery. So I don't think this would be open in the UK, would it?
ได้เอาดิ
No, because it's definitely a trip hazard. Plus which, because it's an ancient monument, there's no way they'll actually let you get in there. You okay?
Okay.
Come on.
Bye.
Oh. You don't want to come up here in the wet.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay.
This place is amazing, built in the 11th century. How's that still standing?
Oh.
Yeah, it cost you 250 baht to get in. I don't mind paying it. I've got nothing against that. A bit extortionate from 30 to 250. And these steps could have been better. There aren't any. And she just goes up like it's unbelievable. I have to hold on to something. You want to walk down there?
ลองไหม
I don't mind.
Huh?
I don't mind. Go. Go, go, go.
Come on.
Come on.
Yeah.
Martini.
Yes. มาทางนี้
Martini.
เออ
I thought it was martini.
Come on here มาที่นี่
Come here.
Yeah.
Martini.
Yes.
This is just an amazing, amazing work of art. It's massive. And you can walk all around it. This is worth every penny. The floor, you've got to be careful of the bloody floor because if you're not watching it, you trip up.
เนี่ยถ่ายไปทางนี้
And she's walking around here in heels.
เห็นไหม
Photo, another photo. You can see the evidence that it's actually sagged quite a bit. On that far wall there, if I can zoom in a bit, just for a second. Now it's sagged quite a bit in the middle, so there is a lot of subsidence, so they must have done a lot of work on it. Well, it looks like all the brickwork's been renovated as well. So it is under maintenance all the time. These are sandstone steps. It says on there, it says no steps. Everyone's stepping over this. It's like a metre wide. She wants to take these palm sugars back.
Yes พามชูกะฉันเอาไปเลยได้ไหมI like เอาไปลูกหนึ่งได้ไหม
Where? You want me to take one?
นี่ ไปได้
You want me to take one?
Yeah
So this is palm sugar.
Yeah
And it smells.
สุกแล้วเขาเรียกว่าอะไรอะสุกแล้วสเมลไหม
I can't describe the smell.
มันโอนอะ
Very,
มันโอน
very sweet, like a...
มันโอน yes เอาไปทำแคนดี้ handmade candy
Yeah, like candy, I suppose.
Handmade
Sweets
candy.
and stuff, yeah. It has got a very Thai smell to it. So you can tell they use these in a lot of cooking
yes
because of that smell. We're going to get in trouble. We're going to get arrested, aren't we? Are you excited because you've got palm sugar? This must weigh, I reckon, 2 kilo. So you can see how dense they are. And they are rock hard. That smell, that smells a bit pineapple.
yeah
Yeah.
not same
No, I know it's not the same. It's jasmine.
oh no
Jasmine.
not jasmine
Everything's jasmine
Shabbat,
because to me,
Shabbat.
I don't know. It has got a slight pineapple smell to it. Very, very slight. Nitnoi pineapple.
เหรอโอเค little bit
Little bit.
นิดหน่อยคล้ายๆแอปเปิ้ล
So there you go. Palm sugar that grows on palm trees.
พามชูกะ
palm sugar smells of pineapple. Very, very slightly. But it's got a unique smell to it. Because it smells of palm sugar. I say, yes, you can take them. Or no, give them to me.
พี่คะ อันนี้เอากลับบ้านได้ไหม ขอบคุณค่ะ โอเค thank you
Well, she said yes.
หอม
We have palm sugar. What you make? Are you cooking?
yes
They will have to go under the seat.
มันไม่นิ่มเลยอ่ะมันโอ้อันนี้มันยังนิ่มนะ
Paid to get into Phanom Rung Historical Park and Prasat Muang Tam, or Prasat Muang Tam is where we are now. So we've got the historical part to go around there.
ปราสาทเมือง
We've paid for it. We're going.
Phanom.
If you ever want a relationship with a Thai woman, they cook the most amazing foods, and they say, "Oh, I'm just beginner. I'm not very good."
Oh. Meat. Okay. Dragonfly. Lots of. Where? Anywhere. Should we park by the dog? I can fly drone. Right. Gotta go.
These are the singer
yes
statue things, which are protectors of the sanctuary.
yes
So this was actually a sanctuary. Well, I'd call it a castle,
ไว้ไหมเนี่ย
because it's on a mountain. We are quite a few 100 metres up here.
นี่เขาบอกว่า the sun
Sunrise, sunset.
นี่รอบต่อไป 8 to 10 กัน September
Yeah,
นี่นะ
yeah. Oh, it's lined up with the sun.
อันนี้นะ
5:57 a.m.
yes ถ้าอันนี้เป็นอันนี้ตะวัน
Yeah,
ต
it's
ก
all aligned with the sun.
นี่ตะวันตก beautiful
So it's in perfect line with the
yes
sunrise.
beautiful
Through 15 doors. Through 15 doors.
yes เนี่ยหวานนับ
Nice
ได้
and cool here. So that is sunset.
yes
Sunrise will obviously be
lotus
the other way. It's all revolving around the lotus flower.
กฤษณะ
Smells horrible. Oh,
ค้างคาว
that's terrible. The 5 yogis.
yeah โยคี oh my god
It's batshit.
yeah ดูได้แต่ห้ามเข้า
There
อะ
are
นะ
bats in here. And all this was 11th century as well.
ชัวนี้นารายณ์บรรทมศิลป์ทับหลังนะ
Construction at the end of. There's a room there. I thought, oh, I'll go in there. I nearly got attacked by bats. There's thousands of them in there. Batman! Oh my god!
Batman.
Ah,
Right.
no,
Okay.
no, no. Oh, they're up here as well. I thought I could smell them. Look, they're up there.
ไหนดูดิอ๋อแป๊บนึง No
Everywhere.
Batman เนี่ย Batman
You used to cook it in a curry.
is Batman
Bat.
Yes
You used to have bat.
same chicken
Is it?
Yes ถ้าอยู่จะบินโดน
Yeah, I'm thinking.
โอเค
But long way.
Yes ไป go
Frog tastes like chicken.
No ไม่
Frog,
เคยกิน not eat frog ไม่เคยกิน
frog, same chicken.
ฉันไม่เคยกินหมา แต่ว่ามีคนเคยกินหมา
Wow. I've never eaten dog. Not dog. Frog. Tastes like chicken.
อ๋อโอเค you eat ใช่ไหม
Yeah. Of course I eat it.
เอาค่อยๆ
And
ลง
bugs. Okay.
อีกนิดเดียวถึงแล้ว beautiful
Frog
มาก
Locust. It's a long way back. We've just come down about,
พนมรุ้ง
I don't know, 80 or 100 steps down there, which you can't even see anymore. Somehow, I've got to get back up them. It's good exercise, if nothing else. I'll be fine. Everything's fine.
Step 1 2 3 4 5 okay
There's not just five, there's five
5
flights
yeah 5 step
of 20 steps.
Hello
2, 3, 4, yeah, 5 flights. Are you out of breath? I'm not out of breath. I'm fine, everything's fine.
I'm fine
What do you mean, come on?
เนี่ย
What?
ตรงนี้อะ not sun
I don't care.
beautiful นะ okay good
Anyway, stunning place. Absolutely beautiful. Built in the 11th century.
Wow.
So, round about Battle of Hastings sort of century. It's going to take me a few days to get over it. But, no, not bud.
oh yeah
It's the butt of dragonflies.
Yes.
Which you probably can't see. There's thousands of things around here. Amazing. Right, pack the bike up. Off we go. I've got all these very steep steps to give up. Will you carry me? You carry me. Because when I get to those steps,
Step
you piggyback.